Live in the Weather Center with a much-needed break in the rain, Tom.
Yeah, break in the rain for this evening, but let's talk more about the derecho from yesterday. These are all the damage reports across the area. A lot of wind damage reports in northwest Indiana and LaPorte and Marshall counties. A little bit fewer on either side of this, but this was a much larger system, and that's the key signature of a derecho. It's a special kind of storm system that must have a large swath of damage for at least 240 miles. This one now classified for over 600 miles from its start somewhere in the Quad Cities. And this is textbook derecho. But not all quasi-linear convective systems, a QLCS, are derechos. All derechos are QLCS, kind of like not all rectangles are squares, but all squares are rectangles. So the system here in general is a QLCS. We had one today. It was not as severe. It is unlikely to be classified as a derecho because we won't have as much damage to classify it. But yesterday's storm was a derecho because of how much damage it caused across the Midwest. We're still worried about more QLCS. We are stuck in this pattern, and so the outlook for heavy rain, well, today, unfortunately, still pummeling portions of Indiana. Tomorrow as well at a 2 out of 4 on our threat tracker. For Friday, also a 1 to 2 out of 4 on threat tracker. We're concerned about heavy rain through the end of this week. Saturday, it lets up a little bit, and Sunday, it may finally move out of here. But I am concerned about heavy rain and flooding through the weekend. I'll show you in the forecast.